Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll talk about the client script. One is the onSell client script, another is the onSubmit client script. Okay, so let's talk about those client scripts. So onSubmit client script will run on whenever you are submitting a form, whenever you are open a form and make a hit to the server to save that form. That time the onSubmit client script will run, and onCellEdit will work whenever you update any informations under this patient details, okay, or under this cell, okay. Whenever you are marking or making any changes on this directly cell on the list layout, at that time onCellEdit will be run, okay. So this is our continuation part of the application development training, which is the hospital management we are talking last few days. So without wasting time, let's. So remember our last sessions wherever we discuss about that on-change client script, what is happening here in the location table. Whenever we are selecting any location, right, it is bringing all the information and populating the location name, right. So that was working. But what happens to here in the list layout, whenever we are selecting and changing any location name, are they will actually reflect. So let's select that one of the location. If I select this location, it's supposed to be populate the location name, but it is not populating, right, because the on change client script is running on your form, but it is not running on whenever you are editing on the location table from the list layout, right. So for that reason, we can write the onCellEdit. Okay, onCellEdit client script have use case of one use case is that you can show a confirmation message. Secondly, second advantage is that you can see you can update the value based on your requirement. Okay, so let's implement one onCell client script. To do that, you need to type that client script and then open the client script module, create new client script. In that case, we are just putting that onCellEdit here. The name we are putting, table name we are putting the patient record, and so once we select the table name, we should select the type. We are selecting the onCellEdit. Once we select the onCellEdit, you can see there are few parameters. One is the sysID, another is the table, another is the old value, new value, and callback. These are the parameters. So, and here you can see there is a callback and this variable called save and close value is true. Okay. So what does it mean that? So in this script, this script will be run. This script will be run whenever you make a modification on your the cell. Let's see that how it is behaving first. So we need to select the field name. Definitely our case is the field name is the location. Just select the field name and save that and refresh our list layout and see the onCellEdit is actually working or not. Okay, so whenever I am changing here, selecting some value, after selecting the value, whenever click right sign or save, the onCellEdit client script is running. Now I can do a glide ajax. I can query to that location table whatever value is right now, and then get that value and query and set the value here. That is the one way. Secondly, what we can do, we can show a pop-up message and ask them that if they really want to change that location from the onCellEdit. In that case, the other location related field will not be populated. So let's do that. In the onCellEdit, we can put a value called var con equal to confirm, and here we can put that. So what I did that var con one variable declare and then showing a confirm box, and this confirm box will return true or false. It means that whenever you click that, it will show a confirm box. Once true and false. So what I am going to do, I am going to set these variables value save and close equal to con. So whatever value will become to the con, the value will be saved here. It means that whenever you click OK, the value will be saved. Whenever you don't click the OK, the value won't be saved. So let's refresh that form again in the patient record list layout and change this value location fields value to any of these value. And once you click OK, there is a two options, OK and cancel. If you cancel, the value won't be selected and value won't be set it. Okay, and if you select the OK, the value will be set it. Okay, so once you select that, value will be set it. Once you OK, the value will be set it. So on cell edit, there is a variable called save and close that will define you, or that will tell you that it needs to be saved or not. If you pass true, it means that the value will be saved. If you pass false, it won't save the value. So that's way you can get or you can set the onCellEdit client script. So in onCell also, if you see, I am selecting that multiple data, multiple record. Maybe I am selecting the 7 data right now, right? So tell me one thing, what will be happen if I select that 7 data and update the data? Is it will be update the 7 time, or is it that my client script will be pop up the 7 time like a first time? So if I select here and click cancel, it will pop up once. If I OK, all this value is set it, right? So remember that whenever you are selecting multiple data, whenever you are selecting multiple row, it will only your on change or your onCellEdit client script will only run for one time. So in this onCell client script, what I am just writing now, I am just turning off these two lines, okay, for your reference, and I am just putting that alert here and putting that sys underscore id, and it will return me that sysIDs. Okay, so sysID is nothing but it will give me the array of sysID. Okay, if I am updating that 8 data, it will return me the sysID. Also I'll put the new value, and then here I'll pass that new value. Okay, now let's save this on change client script here and then go back and refresh our list and try to update the location table and see what happens. So our case, if I am selecting this data or this many 9 data and select here and selecting different value, for example I am selecting this value and click OK, you can see it's give me that list of sysID, list of the 9 sysID, and the new value, it's give me the new value of that. Okay, now if I want, I can do a query onto that sysuser table or the location table, whatever value I want, I can bring those value and update these location details through the glide ajax, because in the client script we can't use the glide record, that's not a best practice. So we can use the glide ajax, get this sysID, query to first query to this location table with the new value, query to the location table, get all the related value and update these 8 or 9 sysIDs record into the patient record. Okay, so next topic we are going to handle here is that onSubmit client script. In the onSubmit client script, what we can see, remember whenever we are typing our name and press hit the tab button, it is copied from the sysuser table and storing here. But what happens if something is not matched, it is just clearing the value, right? So we are going to write a onSubmit client script that will check that phone number is empty or not. If the phone number is empty, it will restrict me to save that data. Okay, so let's go back to the client script again, and I'm going to create a one more client script. Click the new button and I'm creating a onSubmit client script. So name you can put anything in any meaningful name. So I am going to select that patient record, and then I should select that type is onSubmit, and the onSubmit client script doesn't have any parameter. You can see there is no parameter. So what we are going to do here, we'll check that in this what is the value. So where mobile, okay, so we'll check that g underscore form dot get value. So field name is the phone. We'll copy that paste here, and we'll check that if equal mob equal to empty or mob equal to null, we'll alert a message called mobile cannot be blank, mobile number cannot be blank. Okay, along with that we are passing the return false. It means that if you type the return false, it will not help you, or it will not allow you to submit. Okay, so let's see that. Just refresh our form again. And type some name and hit here and try to submit. You can see our onSubmit client script is running. Our onSubmit client script is running and saying that mobile number can't be empty. Okay, so the onSubmit client script is only done whenever you try to submit on your database. So let's put some mobile number here and try to submit. You can see the value is getting submitted because that our onSubmit client script check that the mobile number have value or not. It have value, so it allow you to save that. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a great